Today I'm going to show you how to fix DLL Not Found Error. Probably you have got this error in games. Method 1. So first you have to go to your browser, then search as your DLL download. Go to first website. Scroll down and click download. After that, extract the zip file. As you can see, you have to copy this file to game location. If you are not sure, copy the to System32 folder as follows. That's it. If this method is not working, here's method 2. Go to search bar for Windows Security. Open the virus and threat protection. Here, go to protection history. Here, you'll see recent virus blockings. Restore it. This will solve your problem.